How to download and install Picsart mobile app. So if you want to download and install Picsart mobile app, then first of all you have to open up your Play Store application and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after opening your Play Store, you will have a search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and then you have to search for Picsart. Now simply search for that, and here you will have the application. Simply tap on the application and now you will have an install option, so you can simply tap on install, and it may take some time to download depending on your connection. And after downloading you can simply tap on open, which is here, and then you can use your application. So that's it. That's how you download and install Picsart application on your mobile phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.